Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the June 2023 Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. So this is a monthly subscription. If you have any questions about it, there's a lot of information in the description of this video about how you can sign up for it also. But basically you just get a monthly selection curated by Potomac Beads of jewelry items that are around a theme. So I don't know what this one's theme is yet, but we're going to open it up and we're going to take a look. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we go on this unboxing. So we're going to do this open here. Alright, so here we go. Potomac Beads. This is for June 2023 and this is called Nature Lover. So this is the treasure subscription. And if you want to sign up for the subscription, just check out the link in the description box below. And that will show you all about how you can sign up for yourself to receive this box every month. So it's a curated collection that they put together for you, and they always do a wonderful job. So I highly suggest that if you're looking for a fun way to add things to your collection, that is a surprise every month. So it's fun. Alright, so whether you collect shells from the beach, press and preserve leaves from nature walks, or admire the stunning iridescence of a dragon-winged fly, this Nature Lover treasure box has something for you. And then they also have ideas online at potomacbeads.com/ideas. Alright, so this is the items that are in the box here. So what do we have? So it looks like 20 items. So this is going to be fun. So let's check out what we got here. Alright, so I'm going to go through and get this organized and I will be right back. Alright, so let's get started on these items here. So the first thing up is the Potomac Crystal Bicones 4mm. So that is in this very pretty blue color. Look at that. That is like beautiful. I really like this color a lot. Look at the shine on that. Shoo, that is beautiful. That's very pretty. I like that color a lot. Alright, up next we have Labradorite Pebble Beads, 6 to 8mm. Labradorite is my favorite gemstone of all. And I just saw some good flash in there. Oh, look at those. See that flash inside? So those two definitely have it nice. Don't really see any good flash in the rest of these. Oh, there's a little bit more. So if you don't see it from one direction, flip them over to another direction. You might see it in a different direction. Sometimes it only shows up in certain ways. See, like right there. So if you look at it one direction, you don't see anything, flip it around and see if you can see it from a different direction. So Labrador is my favorite. I love that flash in there. That's beautiful. Alright, so up next we have these Potomac Pearls in 2mm size. So they're in a pastel green. So it's almost like a yellow. It actually almost looks kind of yellow on the screen, but it is actually a green tone to it. So they are 2mm. These are quite small. There's a nice good little strand there. Alright, so we got those. Up next we have Czech miter shell beads. So we have 3 of these. So they are Czech glass. So those are fun. I like that there's 3 of them. If there was just 2, I feel like I'd be forced to make them earrings, but being 3 of them, definitely going to go a different route. I just haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do with them yet, but I will definitely do something with them. And I actually really like how, I feel like they kind of coordinate with this kind of pale green here. They're like the same kind of, has like a hint of gold tone to this green that is in this. So it's similar, but not super matchy. So those might be going together. Up next, we have these fossil shell beads in pale turquoise. These are Czech fossil shell beads, is what it says. So I do believe these are glass, even though it says fossil. I think they're just meant to look like a fossil. So those are fun. I like the natural colors of these. Obviously, that is the theme, is nature, so it makes sense. But I like the coloration, how it has like the darker inside here. I like just the color variations on those. Alright, so up next we have a Czech leaf strand. These are Czech wavy leaf beads. So we do have a nice long strand of these. Wow, we have lots of these leaves. I like that these leaves are just very interestingly colored. Like they have a lot of the silver kind of color to them, so they are very shiny. I really like that. But then you can also see some of the other colors in here. The greens and the rust kind of colors. Just, wow, those are really fun. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but I really enjoy the coloring on them. That's like the work of an artist right there. Alright, so up next we have Czech faceted rounds in seafoam. So these are 8mm. Normally we don't get these faceted rounds in 8mm, so this is fun. Normally they're like 4 or 6mm. I like that these are bigger. You can see they're half this gold kind of, and then half clear. So these half and half beads. Makes them have a lot more shine to them. I'm really liking this color palette. That's very nice. These are fun. It's a fun month right here. Alright, so up next we have some more little tiny beads. So some more 2mm Czech smooth rounds in crystal AB. These almost look like moon beads. Those are nice. I like that. I feel like it's different than all the rest of the color palette we already had here, but they really look good with these blue beads here. So we are halfway through the list. So up next we have these Hemu. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. Hemu wood beads in 10mm. So I'm not sure what the Hemu refers to, if that's the color, if that's the type of wood, but these wood beads, they're very smooth. So smooth. They are sanded so nicely. They feel amazing. So those are really awesome. They have, oops, I just lost 2 of them. They have nice big holes on these. And again, they are very, very smooth. I pulled this description right from the Potomac Beads website, so you can see exactly what these beads are about. Alright, so up next we have a wood bezel. It's a pack of 1, but I'm not sure. There's nothing that seems to go in it, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this wood bezel. I don't know if I have like a flat back cabochon that I could put in there. There is not one that comes with this box. Alright, sorry about the interruption there. My camera did not want to sit still. Alright, so as I was saying, this wood bezel, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it because I don't know that I have a flat back cabochon this size. So I might have to get creative and fill this in somehow. But we will figure that out when I get to it. So I'm kind of excited to get my creative juices flowing to think about what I'm going to do with this. Alright, so let's put that one down, and we have a few more things here to look at. So these are metal dragonfly wings, pack of 2. So those are really cute. I definitely foresee these being earrings. I really like making earrings with these little wings. So those are cute. So I like those a lot. I don't know if they're going to be, they kind of look more angel wingy to me than dragonfly, but we're going to go with it. All right, up next we have copper nugget beads, a pack of 20. These are nice little spacer beads here. They are definitely feeling like metal. Obviously the copper nugget part would imply that they are metal, and they do definitely feel like they are metal. There's a good amount of them too. All right, up next we have a pewter metal button. What do we got on here? Just kind of flower design. Mine seems to be dented, but that's okay. Just add some more charm to it, right? All right, so I guess we're going to use this as some sort of a closure on a necklace or a bracelet. And then next we have these ear wire backs. Oh, I skipped to the bottom of the list. I'm no longer going in order. Whoops. So these are these little star-shaped ones. They tend to hold pretty good, and they don't roll away so much on you because they have these little ridges on there. So there are those. Let me take it out of the bag so you can see it a little better. We got some of these. There are, I don't see how many there are in there, but they are 3.5 by 3 millimeter silicone. They're small size, it says. And the reason we get those is because we also got some earring posts. So this says they're stainless steel pad posts for earrings, 6 millimeter. So that means the round on here is 6 millimeters round. And then these would just go right on there, like so. Oops. There you go, like that. So you just use some E6000 glue on there just to glue on whatever you're trying to glue on. But then you would want to have beads that don't have holes in them, unless you're gonna, I don't know, work that out somehow. Cover them up with something, I suppose. Alright, so there are those posts. I don't know, I gotta think about that one as well. Alright, oops, sorry, I'm making the camera jiggle. Alright, and last, we have these Miyuki Sea beads in seafoam lined crystal in size 8/0. These are a very pretty color. Kind of have all the colors in there, so I can see like blue and green, yellow, some pink, purpley kind of colors. So we got all the colors in there. So those are really pretty. They definitely go well with this. Oh yeah, that looks good together. So not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I don't have a plan for much of any of this other than those wings. I know I'm going to make those earrings for sure. That could have gone better. Made a big old mess of that. Alright, and then the post earrings, I got to figure out what I'm going to do with those. And I don't know if I'm going to make these earrings. There's 2 of them. I kind of like going to earrings when there's 2 of these, but I also really like these. So instead of just doing both of them as earrings, I might do like one as a necklace and one as a bracelet. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I really like those though. Alright, so that is everything for this month. So I'm going to get these packed up, and then I'm going to come up with a game plan of what I want to do with everything, and then I will be back in a few weeks to show you everything that I made. So if you guys can comment below with which your favorite item in this box is. Mine is definitely those labradorite pebble beads here. I really love these. I just love that flash in these beads. So I shoot pull. I don't know if you guys know that about me, but I shoot pull, and my pocket marker is a piece of labradorite, like a nice big piece like this big around. It has a really nice flash in it. That's my pocket marker. Alright, so you guys, thanks for watching, and Let me know what you like the best, and I will see you guys in a few weeks, or at least for this, when I come back with the finished jewelry video. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.